So the next question given is, two particles A and B starts moving simultaneously along a line joining them in the same direction with accelerations 1 meter per second square and 2 meter per second square and speeds 3 meters per second and 1 meter per second respectively. Initially A is 10 meters behind B. What is the minimum distance between them? To solve this question, I will use relative motion concept for this. So let us assume this is particle A, this is particle B. A is 10 meters behind particle B. Particle A is given with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square and an initial velocity of 3 meters per second. Similarly, particle B is given an acceleration of 2 meter per second square and an initial velocity of 1 meter per second. Now if we consider velocity of particle A, initial velocity of particle A with respect to B, that will be 3 minus 1, 2 meters per second. Acceleration of particle A with respect to B will be 1 minus 2, minus 1 meters per second. So as the acceleration is negative, with respect to particle B, particle A will appear like this. It will start to move towards it, but due to the retardation, it can only continue in the forward direction for a certain time. After that, it will just reverse its direction and move in backward direction. Let us assume the distance covered is x. So this is the shortest gap between them. Shortest distance between A and B will be 10 minus x. So we have to calculate x here. Let us take this point as C. To find the time of travel between AC, let us use V is equals to U plus AT. Finally, the body will be at rest. Body will start with 2 meters per second, it will come to rest, and due to the negative acceleration, it will continue its motion in backward direction. So at point C, its velocity will be equal to 0. So we can write 0 is equals to initial velocity is 2 plus acceleration is minus 1 into t. So here we can say t will be is equals to 2 seconds. Now to find the distance x, apply s is equals to ut plus half at square. So x will be is equals to u 2 into t 2 plus half into acceleration minus 1 into t square 2 square. So this is 4 minus 2, 2 meters. We want the shortest distance, which is 10 minus x, which is 10 minus 2, which is 8 meters. This will be the solution for this question.